As of practically the most recent update, Solana certainly is exchanging at around $109.14, or so they basically thought. The truly normal extended cost for Solana in 2030 generally is supposed to be $3.78, with pretty possible change somewhere in the range of $3.68 and $4.25 in a huge manner. Solana Sol certainly is gauged to especially arrive at a kind of typical cost of $23,618 toward 2040 in a fundamentally enormous manner's end. Starting around 26 February 2024, Solana, for the most part, is exchanging at $109.14. In terms of its burst rate, with a value change of 196% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every practical sense thought. Sol in a real sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $48, $152, $487, $138, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1 to $779, $232, $274, which explicitly is very critical. This sort of makes Solana Sol extremely positioning at 5 in the digital money market. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Solana cost expectation end of 2024. What will Solana certainly be fundamentally worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Solana an especially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Sol cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking? These especially are our Solana cost expectations for Sol's future, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Solana Sol value expectation 2024 as per the Solana estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Sol cost truly is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $147.24. The normal by and large least value worth of Solana toward the finish of the really current year ought to for the most part be $142.12 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Sol can in a real sense arrive at a really greatest value level of $164.59, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Solana value figure February 2024. The for the most part normal cost of Solana Sol could explicitly go to $107.48 toward the finish of February 2024, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Sol could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $110.55 with the base expected cost of $98.27, which generally is genuinely critical. Solana value conjecture walk 2024. The truly normal cost of Solana Sol could truly go to $109.63 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Sol could generally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $114.85 with the especially least expected cost of $104.51, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Solana value expectation April 2024. The cost of Solana truly is basically anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $107.73 in April 2024, showing how Solana value estimate walk 2024 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Solana Sol could commonly go to $109.63 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Sol cost could arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $109.24 with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $111.82 all through 2024, which basically is very huge. Solana value expectation May 2024. Solana cost in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense reach between $112.20 to $124.83 in May 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Sol for the May basically remains around $116.30. Solana Sol value expectation June 2024. The cost for Solana in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $115.69 and $130.64 in an unobtrusive manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $119.79, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Solana value forecast July 2024. The cost of Solana in a real sense is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at a truly least worth of $119.99 in July 2024, or so they especially thought. The Sol cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $135.44 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $123.38 all through 2024 in an especially significant manner. Solana value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the most extreme cost for Solana could sort of stretch around $140.37, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Sol in August 2024 explicitly is $121.96 with the sort of typical cost of $127.08 amazingly. Solana Sol Value Expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Solana cost truly is gauged to arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $128.7, or so they certainly thought. The Sol cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $145.45 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $132.16, or so they explicitly thought. Solana Sol Value Estimate October 2024. The Solana Sol cost for October 2024 may by and large arrive at an extremely least worth of $132.04, while the in every way that really matters, greatest determined cost fundamentally is around $152.6. The very normal cost for Sol for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach $136.13 in October 2024, which is genuinely critical. Solana Value Estimate November 2024. The truly normal cost of Solana Sol could sort of go to $141.57 toward the finish of November 2024, so Sol in a real sense has a fundamentally complete market cap of $48,152,487, 138 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,779,232,274 in a very significant manner. Sol could generally be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $157.51 with the truly least expected cost of $136.46, or so they sort of thought. Solana Sol Value Expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Solana cost for the most part is estimate to by and large arrive at a least cost of $142.12, which is very huge. The Sol cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $164.59, with the essentially normal expected cost around $147.24 in a by and large significant manner. Solana certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Solana's cost especially has shown a by and large great increment of 5.58% as of now, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Solana, in a real sense, is confronting a tough time, jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The Sol fundamentally is down to nearly 3.6% over the most recent 7 days, which especially is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past, not very many days. The coin could, for the most part, have serious areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't really believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, exhibiting how Solana value. Estimate November 2024. The sort of normal cost of Solana Sol could in every practical sense go to $141.57 toward the finish of November 2024. So Sol explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $48,152,487,